First and foremost, kalimutan ang get rich quick dream. Yan ang isa sa mga resulta na nagbibigay sa iyo ng mentalidad na sumugal versus mag-trade. Work on understanding the psychology of the market. While it's true that the market is governed by support and resistance, it's important to also understand that the market can invalidate your technicals depending on the market psychology in that particular time. The market can invalidate a breakout or a breakdown depending on what's the topic of the market. Ano ba yung maiinit na mga balita? Embrace mo yung uncertainty. It's always gonna be uncertain. Kaya nga nag-aral ka ng indicators para bigyan ka ng conviction. Yung conviction na yan na magbibigay sa'yo ng karapatan at lakas ng loob para tumaya, para mag-trade. Mag-trade, tumaya. There's always going to be uncertainties. Kaya nga ginawa yung mga system na tinatawag natin. The system that can help you navigate a market cap asset of $1 trillion, so to speak. Leverage the law of large numbers. No? Ibig sabihin nun, at the end of the day, pag may mga pagkakataon gusto mo mag-zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, you need to remember that there's gonna be a time that the market can invalidate small micro moves kasi hindi mo nakikita yung mga malalaking SNR or galaw. Ito yung mga kadalasang nakakalimutan pero always given na ng market. Irespeto mo yung risk-reward ratio mo. Huwag mong laruin. Irespeto mo yan para respetuhin din ng PNL mo. Size your positions wisely. Baka naman nag-all-in ka lang lagi. Pagka